In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure document visibility in DocuSign. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their administrative processes or maintain tighter control over document distribution and access within your organization. Properly configuring these settings ensures that only authorized users can view and interact with specific documents, helping to enhance security and compliance, and ultimately improving your organization's efficiency. Let's start by heading to DocuSign's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the DocuSign homepage. This is where you'll begin the process of configuring your document visibility settings. Once you're there, look for the Admin button and click on it. This will take you directly to the admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing user permissions and document settings. Once you're in the admin dashboard, your next step is to find and click on Sending Settings. This section is crucial because it's where you can customize how documents are sent and who can access them. Here, you'll have a few important decisions to make. One of the options you'll encounter is the checkbox labeled Allow Senders to require signers to upload a new image to sign or initial. You'll need to decide whether you want to check or uncheck this. Essentially, enabling this option will give senders the power to request new images for signatures, which could be useful for maintaining up-to-date signatures and initial images for your records. Next, you should consider whether to enable the setting that prevents users from forwarding completed envelopes. By activating this feature, you provide an additional layer of security, ensuring that completed documents can't be inadvertently or unauthorizedly sent to individuals who should not have access. After that, take a look at the option called Allow Sender to Download Form Data. This is a great feature if you want to give senders the capability to extract data from forms for further analysis or backup purposes. Moving along, there's an option to enable custom email and language settings for each recipient. Customizing emails and languages can improve the recipient's experience, as messages can be personalized and communicated in the recipient's preferred language. This ensures clarity and reinforces a professional engagement with your recipients. Finally, consider allowing senders to add recipients directly from your account's user directory. This feature can save time by letting senders pick from existing contacts rather than manually entering email addresses each time a document needs to be sent. Once you have made all your selections and adjustments, don't forget to save all your changes. This is critical to ensure that your new settings are applied and active. By following these steps, you can effectively configure document visibility and access in DocuSign, making it a smoother and more secure process for both you and your recipients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your DocuSign settings.